Hi viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel The Grand Biography. Today we discuss the biography of Sachin Tendulkar. Hopefully this video is very informative for you. So let's start this biography, activities, awards and achievements. Sachin Tendulkar is an Indian former international cricketer who captained the Indian national team. He is regarded as one of the greatest batsmen in the history of cricket. If we talk about the biography of Sachin Tendulkar, a name which inspired the entire nation to fall in love with cricket, Sachin Tendulkar is arguably the greatest batsman in the world has ever seen in the history of the sport. When Sachin Tendulkar first made his debut against Pakistan, his list and the being a lad of just 16 years, no one ever thought that this curly-haired chap would be ruling the gentleman's game in the times to come. Sachin Tendulkar is deemed the god of cricket in India, and his big list of memorable performances for his country truly justifies the same honor to every bit. A career is started which spanned 24 years. Sachin Tendulkar made a plethora of records and won every trophy he dreamed to achieve in his career. Sachin Tendulkar personal information. Let's start. Date of birth. Sachin Tendulkar was born on 24th April 1973. Sachin Tendulkar's birth took place in Mumbai, and considering his date of birth, Sachin's zodiac sign is 10 years. And age, Sachin Tendulkar's current age is 47. He played international cricket till 40 years of age. Height. Sachin Tendulkar is 5.5 inches tall, making his debut at a small age of 16. Sachin Tendulkar was equally small in height as well. Looking at Sachin Tendulkar's height, not many tripped the younger star to make a successful international career in cricket. However, he went on to create some of the biggest records that are included. This picture shows his family. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar was born on 24th April 1973 to Ramesh Tendulkar and Rajni Tendulkar, and was the youngest of the four siblings in the family. His father Ramesh Tendulkar was a married novelist. His mother Rajiv Tendulkar was working as an employee in an insurance company. Moreover, Sachin Tendulkar got his son from famous Indian musician Sachin Dev Burman, who was also his father's favorite music director. To know more about his personal life, including his family members, Sachin Tendulkar career starts. Sachin Tendulkar is regarded as a god of cricket. He rules the records books, having a host of records to his name. Sachin Tendulkar has the most number of runs in both ODIs as well as Test crickets, besides having the most number of centuries in international crickets. But how did it all begin? By little master's admission. It was Sachin Tendulkar's brother who made him introduced to the sports. At 11 years age, Sachin's brother Arjun introduced the former to ceramic architecture. He first coach, and the rest in history. To know about Sachin Tendulkar's stats and his complete journey from his early years to become the god of cricket. If we talk about the Sachin Tendulkar IPL career, I read of the inaugural edition of the Indian Premier League. Sachin Tendulkar was the bought as an icon player and was made his captain of Mumbai Indians. He was signed for the whopping sum of US $1.121, and he helped the side reach the final of the 2010 editions of the Cash-Rich League, and was also the leading run getter in the series. In his IPL career, Sachin Tendulkar has played 78 matches, scoring 2,334 runs at average of 34.83 and a strike rate is of 119.81. Sachin Tendulkar achievements. If we talk about the achievements, Sachin Tendulkar is the leading run scorer in Test and One Day International. He has 15,921 runs and 18,426 runs in One Day and Test respectively. Sachin Tendulkar still stands as the only cricketer to have scored more than 30,000 runs in international cricket. Sachin Tendulkar holds the record for having the most number of centuries in international cricket. He has scored 51 centuries in Test cricket and 49 centuries in One Day International. Sachin Tendulkar stands at the top for playing the most number of Tests and One Day International. He has played 200 Test matches and 463 One Day International in his cricket career. Sachin Tendulkar holds the record for scoring 1000 runs in a calendar year for the most number of times. He has reached the most feat for as many as 7 times. He has this record for scoring the most number of runs in a single year in the year 1998. Sachin Tendulkar scored a record 1894 runs in international cricket. Sachin Tendulkar is the first male cricketer to have scored a double hundred in international cricket. Sachin Tendulkar scored the most runs in 1996 World Cup and 2003 World Cup, scoring 523 and 673 runs respectively. If we talk about the awards, in 1994 he was conferred with the Arjuna Award. In 1997, Sachin Tendulkar received Padma Shri, India's fourth highest civilian award. In 2001, he was conferred with the Mashatra Bhushan Award. The year 2001 saw him receiving Padma Vibhushan, and the Sachin Tendulkar was awarded Bharat Ratna, Indian highest civilian awards in the year 2014. If we talk about the net worth of Sachin Tendulkar, Indian cricketer Sachin Tendulkar net worth is estimated to be Rs 1,250 crore. Sachin Tendulkar net worth comprises his earnings from professional cricket and brand endorsements. Sachin Tendulkar endorses more than 100 brands such as Britannia's, Visa, Pepsi, to name a few. Sachin Tendulkar was the first cricketer to have signed a deal of 100 crores with MRF in 2001. Sachin Tendulkar earns approximately $18 million only from endorsements. And SRT Sports Management Pvt Ltd, a sports management company launched in 2016, is owned by Sachin Tendulkar and his wife Dr. Anjali Tendulkar. The cricketer himself manages all commercial engagements and social initiatives. Sachin also owns 2 hotels in Bombay, which are in partnerships with one of his friends. Sachin has also promoted the sports entertainment brand Smash and also owns some good shares in the whole firm, which is currently have been valued more than $1 million. This is all about the biography achievements awards of Sachin Tendulkar. Thanks for watching.